As the seat's coming along, Frankie. Well, that's how to do a blowjob. I think we've done it alright.
It's good.
I'm a bit
Looking really good.
when it comes to things like this.
First time.
Pardon?
First time.
First time for everything, isn't there? Just see if that's the right. This is gorgeous. You've come a long way, look. I'll tell you what I do want to do. I want to go through Norwich. At some point, round the Wensum through Norwich. It's lovely. I've done like the touristy bit on a boat before, and it's just, you see people on their canoes, and you can launch the boat easily from Fry Bridge. But the only trouble is you've got to carry it from a car park somewhere, so I'm trying to find somewhere else easy where you can park up and. Look, we're the only ones here. Oh, look at all the geese. Stop a minute. Wow. Oh, it's the ice cream boat. Wait. Do I want to wee? That's on camera. Do I want to wee? Where are you? Frankie's saying, do I want to wee? Are you going for a wee, Frankie? Okay, I'll come. Oh, you go first, then I'll go. Can't undo it. It makes me jump. I don't like it. That's it.
Can we jump on it now?